Hello friends, today I will talk in detail regarding puppy bite and rabies. See, every day I get new puppy. Obviously puppy plays with their owner, they have got sharp teeth, they have got sharp nails. So in the process of playing with owner, sometimes they bite, sometimes they scratch the owners. If puppy bite owner while playing, generally owners get very panic. I get call even in night, Doctor Saab, my puppy has bitten me, now what to do? So this video uh, will be for all those people who is buying new puppy or who has bought new puppy. So they will they should be clear about it, that nothing to worry about. Generally, why it is so? Generally, pups are not carrier of rabies as such. They become carrier only once they are infected. They don't get infected via their mother milk, or uh, during pregnancy. They don't get infected. To get infected, they have to be bitten by some other rabid dog. Means they have to be bitten by some dog which is already infected by rabies. Lot of bacterial diseases are there, viral diseases are there, which generally gets transmitted even by smelling, by licking, or some viral disease via air. But this is the only disease which will be contacted only through bite or some wound contact with infected saliva. So just rest assured and be clear about it. So today I will tell everything about detail so that you don't have any confusion. Now, how a dog gets rabies? Suppose some other rabid dog has bitten your dog, your puppy. What happens after that? That cycle is very important. Then only you will understand that. So, suppose just for symbol, I am just showing a picture of dog. Suppose a dog is bitten here, or suppose it is here or here. See, if it is bitten here by rabid dog's saliva gets in touch with dog's wound. From there, via nerves, it travels to spinal cord. So this is the spinal cord area. This is the spinal cord area. Via spinal cord, it comes to brain. Now, what happens? After reaching brain, rabies virus multiply in brain. From brain, via nerves, it comes to salivary gland. You can see here 4 salivary glands are there. So from brain, it comes to salivary gland. After coming to salivary glands, they multiply in salivary glands, and from there via duct, salivary duct, they comes to mouth and they get mixed with saliva. So this is a very clear cut life cycle. It means even though your dog is bitten by some other rabid dog, virus will come first to spinal cord, from there to brain. In brain it has to be multiplied. So once brain is infected, then dog shows 2 types of symptoms. One is either he becomes very aggressive or he becomes dumb. Dumb means he will not react, he will simply keep his head down and sit. Aggressive means he will bite any moving object. It may be anything, your hand, your leg, or any moving object, it will bite. So that is aggressive form. So unless dog becomes mad or dumb, there is no risk of getting rabies by dog's bite. Now, once brain is infected, it has to come to salivary gland, from there, from salivary gland only to mouth, means dog has to become dumb or aggressive before you get here. So life cycle, cycle of rabies virus infection is very clear. So generally puppy, when you buy a puppy, they are not being bitten by any stray dog who are rabid. They are simply being bought from some home from their mother. They don't have any history of bite and all. So once they don't have any history of bite, they don't carry rabies. They are not carrier of rabies as such. So a lot of clients tells a small bite. No, it's a very deep bite. Lot of blood is coming. It's a very deep. Doesn't matter. If even your skin is broken, your muscle is broken, lot of bleeding is there, does not change my position. Deep bite or heavy bite has nothing to do with rabies. So, rest assured, your puppy is very happy and he bite always when plays. So, you do not have to worry about it. Simply what a normal antiseptic you have to use to clean your wound. Bite wound has to be taken care of, and that is how you take care of your puppy bite. Just ignore it, apply antiseptic and be happy with your pup. Thank you very much.